Namaste students. Today I am going to start your second book, that is Political Theory, and the first chapter I am going to start. The name of the chapter is Political Theory and Introduction. In this chapter, in this part, I am going to explain you about the meaning of politics, political science and political theory. So let's begin with the first term, that is politics. Here few views are there. Few are saying leaders and the peoples who contest election and hold political offices may argue that it is a kind of public service. Some others associate politics with manipulation and intrigue undertaken to pursue ambitions and satisfy wants. And few think of politics as what politicians do. And politician makes promises, false promises and tall claims, manipulating different sections also, and say politicians are playing politics. You have all seen that in society, maximum people say that politics is a dirty game. We should avoid the politics and we don't want to go in politics because this is not good for people. So it is unfortunate that politics has come to be associated with the pursuit of self-interest by any and every method. We need to realize that politics is an important and integral part of any society because politics is playing a very important role in our society. So here we see the views of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi once observed that politics envelops us like the coils of a snake and there is no other way out but to wrestle with it. Oh, fine. So no society can students exist without some form of political organization and collective decision making. So politics play a very important role in any country for the people. Fine. Now, here we see a number of social institutions such as family, tribes, economic institutions have emerged to help people fulfill their needs and aspirations. Such institutions have emerged to help us find ways to living together, acknowledging our obligation to each other. Among such institutions, mainly we will say that government play a very important part. How government are formed, how they function, and thus an important focus of politics. Fine. We see the mainly focus in politics is on government, their functions also. But politics not confined to the affairs of government only. In fact, what government do is relevant because it affects the lives of people. And we see the different ways here how politics affect the peoples. We see that government makes policies like economic policy, foreign policy, educational policies, and these policies can help to improve the lives of people, but insufficient and corrupt government can also endanger the lives of people and security. Fine. Now, the actions of the government affect us deeply. This is important point. All the actions taken by the government deeply affect the lives of people. We take a lively interest in what government do. We form association and organize campaign to articulate our demands. Whenever required, you should try to make organizations etc. by give your views and articulate our demands. Fine. So this is about the meaning of politics. Now what is political science? So here we see that political science is a social science disciplines like sociology or history or economics also, and political science is defined as the branch of knowledge. Fine. And deals with state and system of government. So here sometimes we see that politics and political science is same, but no, there are difference because this is a branch of knowledge and this is discipline of social science, and political science investigate the nature of states, functions performed by the governments, voters' behavior, political parties, their ideologies, political culture and public opinion all comes under the political science. And the father of political science, Aristotle, had called political science master science because we study many things about the politics in political science. So now the next topic is what is political theory. This is very important topic. and this deals with the idea that shape constitution, government, and the social life also. Fine. And it clarifies the meaning of concepts such freedom, equality, justice, democracy, secularism, and so on. And in this book, further we will discuss about the topics freedom, equality, social justice, democracy, secularism, and all these terms and these topics comes under the political theory. It probes the significance of principles such as rule of law, separation of power, judicial review, etc. So, though if we will talk about the philosophers and thinkers, views of thinkers are also affect the lives of politicians and peoples also. So, there are many thinkers like Rousseau, he wrote the social contract. Karl Marx are there also, he wrote the Das Kapital, he gave the idea of socialism. And Garner also, Kautilya, Mahatma Gandhi, they wrote many books and influenced the politics also. So the ideas, principles, and views of all thinkers and philosophers comes under the political theory. We study in the political theory and affect the ideas and views are also affect the life of people, affect the governments also, nature of government, functions also. Fine. And there are also contemporary thinkers who draw upon them to defend freedom or democracy in our own time. So in political theory, we read about the ideas, philosophy of different thinkers, meaning of liberty, freedom, democracy. Unlike mathematics, where there can be definition of triangle, square, we encounter many definition of equality, freedom, justice. There are not a single definition. If we will talk about the justice, the different philosophers give their different views. So this is the scope, if we will say about the political theory, is very vast. In mathematics, only one definition is there, but if we will talk about any term like equality, freedom, so there are many. You see the many views are there by the different thinkers or peoples. So here we see that equality, freedom, justice in political theory by different philosophers and thinkers gave their different views. So this is all about the meaning of political theory, political science and politics. In next part, I will explain you why we need the political theory. Thank you.